Reverse/invert a dictionary mapping. Given a dictionary like so, how can one invert this map to get
Python 3 plus, Python 2,
assuming that the values in the dict are unique? Python 3, Python 2.
If the values in my underscore map aren't unique, Python 3, Python 2.
To do this while preserving the type of your mapping, assuming that it is a dict or a dict subclass.
Try this. Note that the Python docs on dictionary views explicitly guarantee that .keys and .values have their elements in the same order, which allows the approach above to work. Alternatively, or using Python 3.0's dict comprehensions,